Today we will be doing Lesson 29, Session 4. We are continuing to work with adding our two-digit numbers. We're going to begin by completing the example up at the top to help us solve the other problems on the page. So here is the example. 27 flower stickers, 64 star stickers. How many stickers in all? So they broke apart 27 into their 2 10s and 7 1s. And then they broke apart their 64 into their 6 10s and 4 1s. When you add your 10s together, you get 8 10s because 2 plus 6 is 8, so that's 8 10s. And then you add your 1s together. 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay, our answer is not 811. Because we have a 10 here, we need to bring that over to our 10s group. So when you're adding 80 plus 11, you need to break apart the 11 into 1 10 and 1 1. So you're really adding 3 numbers now. So 80 plus 10 is 90. 90 plus 1 more is 91, which is the same as saying 27 plus 64 equals 91. So on the line here, 27 plus 64 equals 91. Even if you drew out your 2 10s and your 7 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and your 6 10s and your 4 1s, if we count these, we're going to get to 91. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. So if you ever want to double check your work, you always can go back to just drawing the picture and counting. Okay, so we have 91 stickers. I know that some of these ways that they're teaching you how to do this can be a little bit tricky. So try to do the way that they're teaching you because it might stick in your mind to help you add faster. Because as you can see, drawing all of this out and counting all of these takes much longer. But it's a great strategy to use to make sure you get to the correct answer. Okay, so number 1. So today's lesson, we are going to be going through the different strategies that they have taught you. Number 1, 38 soccer balls and 46 kickballs. How many balls in all? Okay, so we're adding 38 plus 46. They drew our 38 here, and they drew our 46 here. Right now, all you have to do is just count these. This is the strategy that they're having you do. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So that is 84. There's 84 balls in all. Okay, so that's one strategy, drawing out the picture like that and counting it all. Now the next strategy that we learned is when you break apart the numbers and you add your 10s and then you add your 1s. So number 2 says 17 yellow flowers and 28 white flowers. How many flowers all together? So we're adding 17 plus 28. In the number 17, you have 1 10, 7 1s. And in the number 28, you have 2 10s, 8 1s. Okay, so if we add our 10s together, 1 plus 2 is 3. And if we add our 1s together, 7 plus 8 is 15. Now remember, you have to break this apart. This 15 is going to be, well, let's start here. 3 10s is 30. Plus, in the number 15, you have another 10 and 5 1s. So that's plus 10 plus 5. okay? Or you could just add 30 plus 15. All right, so we have 30 plus 10, which is 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. So 17 plus 28 equals 45. There are 45 flowers. Okay, number 3 is having you use the strategy of using the number bonds to help you add these two double-digit numbers. 52 oak trees and 35 pine trees. How many trees in all? So you have 52. You're going to break apart 52 in your number bond. There's 5 tens. 5 tens is the same as 50 and 2 ones, so 2. 35 has 3 tens. 3 tens is the same as 30 and 5 ones. Okay, so we're adding our tens, which is 50 plus 30. 50 plus 30 is 80. And then our ones, 2 plus 5. Okay, so it would look like this to be adding our tens. We'd be adding 50 and 30 plus 2 plus 5. That's where I'm getting my numbers from. So 50 plus 30 is 80. 5 plus 2 is 7. 80 plus 7 is 87. Could even double check your work right here. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. You still get to 87. So 52 plus 35 is 87. There are 87 trees. All right, number 4, we're going to be drawing lines to match. So it says, what is another way to find the total? Draw lines to match. So here this says 1 10, 5 ones, 3 tens, 7 ones. Okay, so if you have 1 10, do you have 20? No. If you have 1 10, do you have 10? Yes, you do. And if you have 5 ones, you have 5. So 1 10 and 5 ones is 10 plus 5. 3 tens is 30, and 7 ones is 7. So right here, 30 plus 7. So we're going to draw a line to match from here to here. The second one says 6 tens, 3 ones, plus 1 10, 9 ones. If you have 6 tens, how much do you have? I hope you said 60. Right here is 60 plus 3 ones. 1 10 plus 9 ones is 10 plus 9. So that line would go there. And then here we have 2 tens and 2 ones. That's 20 plus 2. 5 tens and 4 ones. That's 50 plus 4. Okay, so you're going to go to the green page and you're going to work through these different strategies. On your own, you're going to draw the lines just like we did, and then do the other strategies. Refer back to the blue pages if you need help with anything.